Hey guys, we are live right now. We're going to be analyzing Tesla stock this live stream, and we're also going to be doing NEO and Palantir and AMD if we get time for that. But our main focus right now is going to be to analyze Tesla stock. I'm just going to have to share the link a couple times so that people can join this live stream right away. If you're watching this right now, you're either watching this live or you're watching this after the live stream. So if you're watching this after the live stream, welcome. I hope you subscribe. Anyway, yeah. So right now, Tesla is consolidating as we speak. We cannot begin. We need to wait for everybody to join the live stream. If you're watching this right now, make sure you hit the thumbs up so everybody gets this into their recommended and we can start sooner rather than later. Checking out if... Hey, what's up, Pedro? Welcome. Let me check real quick. Everything is looking fine so far. I think we just have to share the link one more time into the Discord. So the plan for right now is going to be to analyze Tesla stock, and after that we'll pretty much be doing NEO and Palantir. So look forward to that. I think I'm especially looking forward towards doing the Palantir analysis. Hold on, guys. Palantir falling down just a little bit right now. Not muted yet. Not muted yet. Exactly. Well, welcome, Tobin, and the Wemo and Jamili. Welcome, Imad. Thoughts on NEO going down to 39? Wait, what? 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 Wait, hold on. Hold on. I've not been following this closely. Whoa. Okay, so, like I said, NEO was going to crash, and the reason it crashed was because of the daily chart. You can see right here, I said once we cross, then that would be the bearish signal. That would be the popping of the bubble. I think there could be a recovery, but it's going to be tough. Oh, wow. I am speechless. I am absolutely speechless about this. We'll come up with NEO very soon. First, we're going to do the Tesla analysis, and then we're going to come to NEO. That is absolutely insane. That is insane. You were right the whole time. That's somebody said that. Yeah, I mean, I did say that the scenario that we drew to the $60, well, that was basically if everything would go right. But Tesla's correcting, so NEO's correcting, but NEO is in a bubble, so NEO's gonna pop. And we just left the bullish channel, so I would be very cautious with NEO right now. I think NEO it's literally floating on air. It's looking pretty ugly. Let's just keep it that way, right? It's looking pretty ugly. But yeah, it could recover. I mean, we do see a strong support at the $43, I guess. But yeah, this video's, or at least the beginning piece of this live stream, we're going to be talking about Tesla stock. So we're going to do the Tesla analysis, and then later on we'll talk about NEO and Palantir. Let's see how many people are watching right now. We got 67 people. Yeah, people are now saying that I was right. I mean, you know, what can I say? I think most people, to be fair, you know, like NEO was not dropping. It did seem like NEO was going to go up and up, and well, actually, it's really difficult to tell, especially if you're not very experienced. I get that, so it's all right. But I'm trying to see if this live chat is working. Oh, I think it could go to $38 at least. This is just my opinion on NEO. All right, I think we got enough people to start the analysis for Tesla. Hold on, guys. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna share the link one more time. analyzing your boy. Alright, I think this should be good. We got about 50 minutes left until the markets close. Hold on, guys. Alright, I think we're about to start. I'm going to just put on some music. I got AirPods in right now. We just did the Apple. Okay, let me check. Yeah, NIO is down, but Tesla's up. So we will come to NIO in a second. We're first going to be doing Tesla. Then after that, we're going to do NIO. And after that, we're going to do Palantir. Let me, my music keeps turning off. It's getting really hot. Let's go. Okay, I'm ready. Very ready. So first off, before we start, I think it's really nice to just take a look at what's happening right now. Have we seen comparable situations? Yeah, we have. This is a kind of a bigger version of what happened right there. So this was a consolidation, right? You can see this. We consolidated at this level. Right now we are consolidating at the 600 to 560 level. Here we consolidated from the 508.9 to the $490 level. I think we were more familiar here, so that's why we didn't really have any big downturns. But right now, I think we are at levels where, generally speaking, we see bottoming happening. So this could be the bottom. This could be, yeah, I mean, honestly. And we have to compare this to the past. What have we seen in the past? Yeah, exactly. It's similar. Very, very similar. So, it's either going to be this or that. I think it's more likely going to be this move, and then we'll see another $100 to the upside. Similarly, we'll see another, well, maybe $100. Who knows, right? A very big move to the upside could be coming. This could take us to the $700, right? But yeah, we'll have to look into it. I'm just gonna check if the live stream is active. We have not started the analysis yet. We're waiting for everybody to join the live stream. Guys, if you're watching this right now, make sure to hit that thumbs up right now. If you appreciate the videos and the live streams that we do every single day, make sure you hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. This way, people will get this video into their recommended, and then we can start right away. Actually, I want to start right away. We've been waiting long enough. All right, so welcome to the people that are new to the channel. My name is Gara. I try to give you the best guidance on your favorite stocks, and that's what we're about to do. Just setting things up briefly. It does look like we're now below this bullish channel that we've been trending in. I'm gonna have to just carefully place this right here. See if we have any point of... No, we don't really have anything. All right. Grab this. Yeah, it does look like the MACD is about to be bottoming, so that's really good news on the 30 minutes. Quickly gonna check the 1 hour, 4 hour, and etc. Yeah, this could definitely... Yeah, this could be bottoming out any second. Hold on. Yeah, I think, yeah, okay, cool. I think we are bottoming out. Go back to the 30 minutes. Okay. So we're going to set this up real quickly, and then we're going to start. this analysis. There we go. Should be fine, I believe. Grab the brush. See if we're already recording. Yes, we were already recording. All right, are you guys ready? Okay, so we're gonna start. Hey guys, welcome back to Lucid Trading. Today we're going to be analyzing Tesla stock for the 1st of December, the first trading day for the new month, December. And I'm really excited actually, because right now you can see that Tesla is starting to bottom out. But we will talk further about this after you guys hit that thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate that, guys. On top of that, I would have to tell you that I am not a financial advisor. Everything that we're going to be drawing on this screen is only for entertainment purposes. I do not condone anybody who uses this as trading advice. It's not trading advice. It's just my opinion on the technicals for stocks. Now, let's begin this analysis right away. So, like I said, it does look like we're bottoming right here. I'm going to show you very soon. Around this RSI, generally speaking, we have bottoms. We had one right there. We had one right there. And in the past right here. So I would say this could very much be the bottom, right? We see that the MACD is quite low as well, as you can see. I think we could very well be literally just skyrocketing from here to the $630 to $640 dollar level. And this could be the formation of the top, right? That's why I'm saying it's going to shoot upwards. Now, if we got it wrong and it's not the formation of the top, we could see another slow rally to 620, come back down a bit, and then slowly rally to 640, etc. But if this is going to be the top, then we will shoot up. So if suddenly, maybe tomorrow or after tomorrow, we're going to have a really rapid surge to the upside, you could probably expect this to be the top. We've seen this in the past several times. So I'm just going to stick with this top theory, like we're going to be topping out very soon. I would say that the RSI is going to shoot up as well. It's going to stay in the overbought area. The MACD is going to shoot up with it. And I would say we would top out very soon, approximately at the, I would say, $680 to $700 level, and then come back down just like that. Well, that's the thing. We don't know if that's necessarily going to be the top, and we don't know necessarily if we're going to be topping out. I think the possibility is going to be there. It's a high possibility that this could be happening, right? But this is just based off of the 30 minutes. We're going to have to look at the 1 hour, the 4 hour, and the daily. See what the result is going to be if we actually include that into this analysis. So let's go to the 1 hour right now. All right, so going to the 1 hour real quick. Yeah, so I think if this will be the top, then oh boy, that's gonna be one hell of a ride. Let's just put it that way. If you guys didn't know yet, we will be doing NIO and Palantir after Tesla, and we are currently doing Tesla. Obviously, this is gonna take a little bit more. We're gonna do the 1 hour. So okay, grab the brush again. There, this looks a little bit like, jeez, it looks so similar. Yeah, this could very well be the formation of the top. Right, it could be the formation of the top, or it could be another move to the upside before we see some consolidation and then the formation to the top, I would say. All right, so there we go. I think we're gonna have to scale this just a little bit, just in case, you know. All right, time to do the 1 hour. All right, so looking at the 1 hour for Tesla, I think this could very well be the bottom. I think we either go sideways a little further before we go up, or we're going to go up right away. And this could potentially mean we're going to surge to the $600, see a bit of resistance, but keep on going to the 620s, potentially to the 630s, right? We could see a lot of resistance right there and come back down to approximately 610 before we surge another time to the 650s, potentially even the 660s. Here we could see, like we said, at the 560 we had resistance, at the 460 we had resistance. It wouldn't be a surprise if at the 660 we see a lot of resistance coming back down just like that before surging to the $700. Now, obviously, this would not be the pattern where we would form the top. If we would form the top, it would move just like that. It would just move really rapid to the upside without stopping. Potentially do this in the after hours as well. It could be an intraday top where we go to the $700 and then come back down. I just paused. Let me just do that. Okay, we paused. Cool. All right, so the most likely scenario is for us to just gradually go upwards and see a little bit of little corrections to the downside as we go to the I guess $680 to $700, and then potentially see a major correction there. And if it's the top, we'll go down all the way. If it's not the top, we'll see a major correction, but then gradually even go up after that. We will see a similar move that we've seen right there. So we're not very sure if 700 would be the top or 800. Obviously, if there's really bearish news, then this could be the top, right? But I don't think so. So far, it looks like we're consolidating on the 1 hour chart. It's going to look like the MACD is going to pretty much come back up just like that and then come back down. Similarly, with the RSI, we could go to the overbought, come back down, and then go to the overbought again, and then come back down again, just like that. So looking at it right now, it looks like we're going to see a continuation of this current rally. It's going to be way sharper than we are used to because we're going to get very, very close to the top, and people are going to be FOMOing, right? Once this starts going up to 600 again, a lot of people are going to come into Tesla, and if the markets are going to be bullish, which we expect, I think there's going to be a Christmas rally, which is going to be absolutely beautiful for Tesla stock. And we could keep on rallying to $700, correct again, or come down all the way and go all the way to the maybe $800 or $750. Who knows, right? Now, I think this would be it for the 1 hour. We're going to be looking at the 4 hours and especially look at the historical patterns and then compare and try to draw out what could happen. Okay, so briefly going to delete this. There we go. Guys, so if you didn't know this yet, we will be doing Tesla right now. And then after that, we're going to do NIO. And after that, we're going to be doing Palantir. Obviously, NIO has come down quite a lot. Let me just briefly check. Has it gone down even further? Not necessarily. Back to Tesla. Okay, so we're going to do the 4 hour now for Tesla. After that, the daily. And then we're going to go to the 30 minutes. And after that, we're going to do NIO. So keep that in mind. Oh, boy. Well, yeah, I mean, it's a small correction, most likely. Just... This is going to be hard to draw on, but we'll try. We'll do our best, right? There we go. Just quickly checking the live chat. All right, cool. Okay, so we're at the 4 hours, and honestly, I think we're consolidating. I don't think this is going to be a deep dive to the downside. None of that. I think we're just consolidating, and we're just going to gradually go upwards again with corrections in between, just like that. and go to higher levels. I think what's really important to look at right now is to see what has happened historically speaking when the MACD was looking like this. Well, we can see that the same thing happened right around here, and what happened there is basically, you can see it right there, we went down, we consolidated, and then we started surging to the upside before seeing another correction. And then after that, we had a move, a very big move to the upside where we saw the top happen, which I think we will not necessarily repeat this pattern exactly, but I think a kind of variance of that is going to be possible right now, which could mean that we could surge again, see a little bit of a correction, and then go up again. So the general idea from this we could get is that we're going to pretty much be consolidating and then moving upwards again. Same thing with the MACD, gradually move up just like that. So all we want to know from the 4 hours is this. I think looking at the daily is going to be a little bit more important to see where this trend is going to be ending. And I don't think we're going to be able to see it right here. I think the only thing we can see right here is that this is going to be a continuation of a historical pattern that we've seen around the stock split. So let's go to the daily. I think the daily is going to be very interesting. There we go. Daily chart coming up. After that, it's going to be the 30 minutes. All right. Yeah, this is interesting, really interesting. Okay, cool. All right, we're looking at the daily chart, and immediately what you can notice, RSI, very similar to back then. MACD, very, very similar to back then. I would say right now, what we're experiencing is this correction right there. This was a consolidation. Obviously, if you run up super high, you will see a correction every now and then. Stocks don't only just go up. We need a little breather, a healthy correction before we start rallying to the upside. Okay, so seeing this being very similar, right? Even the MACD bullish candles look very similar. So that's a good thing, which could potentially mean that we're not topping out, that this is just going to be another continuation of the rally, potentially going up to approximately 660, maybe even 680 before seeing a major correction to approximately 640 to 635, around that level, maybe a little lower, and then going up for the move to the top, which that could be around $700 to $750 before coming back down properly. And this will be a very big correction, right? And I would say this would happen after 21st of December, which would be coincidentally right around there. So I think it could be very bearish after the S&P 500 inclusion, because obviously you buy the rumor, but you sell the news. Once the news is out that they're buying, I think a lot of people are going to be selling off, and it could look very bearish for Tesla for quite some time. And we saw that we corrected here for quite an amount, right? This was approximately 170, I think maybe even $200 to the downside. I think something similar could happen here. We would just go back down to the 520, maybe. Yeah, I think the 520 would be nice. We see a little gap over there and gradually climb back up and then probably move sideways. And then when earnings comes around, we go up again to maybe the 660s and then come back down all the way, because Q1 of 2021 is going to be absolutely horrible, detrimental to Tesla, because generally speaking, their fourth quarter is the best quarter. And if we, beyond that quarter, I think it's going to be quite bearish for maybe Q1 and then like the first half of Q2, which could be approximately around March, April, somewhere around there, and then bottom out and literally just skyrocket until the end of the year, potentially reaching $1,200 to $1,400 price per stock, right? And that would happen because they're increasing their guidance for 2021 to, I think, about 1 million cars. Right now, their guidance for 2021 is 750,000 cars. not only that, they're also going to be releasing a cheaper car, a cheaper model, a new model, and they're going to have, I think, a couple versions of that across the world, and that's going to be priced in very soon as well. Not only that, they're going to be delivering the Cybertruck, the Semi. It's going to be incredible. I think 2021 is going to be the year for Tesla, unless there's a big market correction, which could also be possible. So be very careful, guys. I would dollar cost average and not go all in at all. Cash is going to be king in this market. All right, guys. I think that was enough talking for the daily chart. Let's go to the 30 minutes now. I think I talked a little bit too much about that. So, but yeah. I think, honestly, this run is not over. This run is not over, man. We're like about 50% in, I would say. There's a little bit more to go. Unless there's some really bad news. Unless there's some really, really bad news, I think this run is not over yet. Not yet at all. You can see right here, we're starting to consolidate. Like we said, it's starting to consolidate. It's not moving. It's not moving an inch. Everybody knows that this is not the end. But yeah, I thought my nose was bleeding. Yeah, I'm overworked, so that's why sometimes while I'll live stream, my nose starts bleeding out of nowhere. There we go. I hope you guys don't mind. I really have to take a rest soon. Okay, so MACD. So yeah, this is going to be the I think the more important chart for now, because we're going to be taking a look what's going to be happening in the near term for Tesla stock. Let me just see if everything is correct. So what did we say? Yeah, I think we could potentially rally, right? See the upper edge. Hold on. All right, cool. Before we do the 30 minutes, guys, remember, we're going to be doing NIO after this, and Palantir, and AMD. So there's a lot more content coming up in this live stream. I'm about to do it. Here we go. All right, so the final time frame, the 30 minutes. What's going to be happening, right? Right now, we are consolidating. You can see this right here. It's not moving an inch. I think we could potentially start going up to the $600, see a little bit of resistance, and then go up again to the 609 and literally just surge to the upside. Just like that. Potentially go to the 640s before coming back down, and we could reach the 608 again, and then potentially keep on surging all the way up to $700. Right, that could be a possibility. What could also happen is we could see it. This could be the top. I declined my brush. Did I pause? Please pause. Okay, cool. If this is the top, that could mean either in the after hours or tomorrow, we could see a big surge just like that, all the way up. All the way up. So this would be like maybe $100. It's going to be some really ridiculous amounts. All the way up and then correct. So that could be also a scenario. And now I'm going to draw the most likely scenario. Did it pause? Yeah. But I think what the most likely scenario is going to be surging to the 600, consolidating a bit, going up again to the 620 to 630, potentially consolidating a bit before going up to the 650 to 660. This could be a resistance. We come back down just like that to the 630s to 625, and then we surge again to the $700. Now, I think at the $700, this could be a top, right? It could potentially be the top, and then we could come back down. Let's just say it will be. Let's just be very conservative that it will be at $700, and we would come back down then. That could be potentially at the end of the week. We'll see what happens. If it doesn't, obviously it's going to keep on surging. But if it hits $700 and it doesn't fall down, we'll be making videos about Tesla every single day, so it's going to be fine. Let's be conservative. So let's say that the RSI goes up just like that to the overbought, and we stay in the overbought just like that before coming down. MACD is going to go up one more time, one big move, and then come back down just like that. All right, I think this was the analysis for Tesla stock. I hope you enjoyed the analysis. Like we said, potentially go to 660, then 700, and that could be the top in this scenario, just being conservative, right? That would be amazing. That would be absolutely amazing. Potential 20% upside from here. And yeah, we'll see what happens next, all right? Guys, make sure you hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate that. On top of that, guys, check out the social media. We have an Instagram, a TikTok, and a Twitter. All the links are going to be down below in the description. If you want to join the Discord community, feel free to do so. The link is in the description as well. And lastly, if you want to donate to the channel and support the channel, you can do this through Patreon, where you can get many benefits for your donations, like early access, buy and sell signals, and one-on-one conversation time with me. Now, guys, I think I'm going to be wrapping up the Tesla analysis. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll be seeing you very soon. Okay, so that was the Tesla. I think we're going to be doing the NIO now. All right. I think this will be interesting. A lot of people want to see the NIO analysis. So, NIO's coming back down, eh? It's almost like somebody said it would. Nah, I'm just kidding. We also said it was gonna. We were wrong a little bit. We said it was gonna go up. Honestly, it could have gone up, but I thought, like, okay. So the scenario that we pulled out last time for NIO stock was, if there's no bad news, if Tesla goes up, then we go to $60. If there's bad news and Tesla goes down, GG, well played. That's the game. Well, look at it right now, sitting at $44. It's crippled. It's just crippled at the moment. It's as if, yeah, it's not good. Let's just say that. So we did predict this. We said that there would be a major correction of at least 40%. We went to $58. What is 40% of that? That's approximately $24, right? That could potentially take us all the way to $35. And I've been saying this, that 35 would be the bottom. We're going to go to 35. Nobody believed me. I got so much hate for saying that NIO could be seeing a major correction, while the technicals were telling me that it's going to happen, right? Here we go. It's at $44. I don't want to say I told you so. I think a lot of people right now are probably stuck in NIO. I think it's going to go up, so I'm optimistic. I think NIO stock will be going up in the future. I think it will reach $100, probably $150. But for now, it's seeing a big correction. I think it's a healthy correction because, honestly, guys, let's be real. We just went up like 27 times in 1 year. That's a lot. That's a lot to take in. NIO needs a little bit of a breather. All right, so we're going to do the analysis for NIO in just a second. Probably going to get a lot of hate for this video again, despite being correct about the correction. It's okay. It's fine. We'll take it in. Yeah, okay, so how would I go about this? First, I like to look at where have we been there before. No, this is not similar. Not at all. I do recognize this pattern. It's the bubble chart. It's like when a bubble pops in the stock market, it generally speaking looks something very similar to what we're seeing right here. We in the past we used to compare NIO to Bitcoin because obviously NIO is looking very overbought. Okay, so there we go. We see a strong support at this level at the 42.7 and at the 43.3. We're oversold. And but we could stay there, right? Just as we can stay in the overbought, we can stay in the oversold. Same for the MACD. It's looking like it's going down, but there's yeah, okay, fair enough. It does look like we might be bottoming on the MACD because, historically speaking, we have never gone down this much on the MACD. But this could be, historically speaking, the biggest correction NIO has ever seen. So maybe it goes down further. But because Tesla, I think Tesla's going to be going up very soon. And I think we're oversold. I think NIO's going to go up from here. Potentially. It's just going to be a rebound, right? Yeah, even here you can see that. Oh my gosh, that looks absolutely monstrous. What can I say? The RSI just came down all the way without any remorse. Generally speaking, we do see it bottom out at this RSI. Many times we bottom out at this RSI right there. We bottomed out right there, right there, right there, right here. So this could potentially be a bottom. However, if this is a major correction, scroll out a bit. Look out. We have to look at how the MACD is moving. MACD is moving like it's plummeting. It's like diving down. It's like a nosedive, like potentially that. So I'm not gonna like conclude that this is gonna be the case. This could be the case because the MACD is literally going straight down. It's not bending. It's just literally going straight down. And looking at these, you can see the bearish the red bars, right? That's the bearish MACD cycle. It's looking like it's intensifying. It's not necessarily the downfall is not declining. Let's just say that. So the RSI could still fall further on the 4 hours. Obviously, we have not started the analysis yet. This is like pre-analysis, like trying to figure out what's happening by looking at the historical patterns. Let me check. So let me briefly check. Okay, so 4 hours does look like we could see more bearishness. Okay, it's over. It's over. It's over. What can I say? Have you seen the daily chart? Oh my gosh. Okay, something really optimistic I can say. This is a buying opportunity. Honestly, this could be a buying opportunity. Think about it. We're going to hit 44.8. We hit it right now, so that's another buying opportunity. Obviously, dollar cost averaging, it could hit 42 potentially, $40, $38. That could be a thing. The reason I'm saying that is because when I look at the MACD on the daily chart, it doesn't look like we're about to bounce. We just crossed. We are in negative territory right now. So we could see a bounce, but then we're still going to be coming down because we're now in the bearish trend. This is going to be the bearish channel because the MACD is bearish like that and the RSI is coming down. So this could potentially bounce a bit, but then still come back down, right? Because we see that right now we have one bearish candle, but there has to be some really, really good news for NIO to not be seeing this major correction that we've been warning everybody about for the past 2 weeks. And it's going to be really difficult to not see this correction happen. Historically speaking, when we cross on the MACD, we see a prolonged period of negativity. So I suspect we either move sideways or we're going to go up, go down again, go up, go down again, etc. We're going to see lower highs and lower lows. So I'm going to be going, I think I'm going to be leaning towards the lower high, lower low theory. So because we have not seen, I think we have to at least correct about 40% from this high. And we're right now sitting at approximately 20% correction. We need to potentially come down another 20 before seeing a rock bottom, which we're going to be seeing a lot of buying opportunities. This is full of opportunities. I think this is the best thing that could have ever happened for I think for long-term investors, for NIO stock. This is absolutely amazing. Even for short-term traders, I do believe that NIO could be reaching very high valuations very soon. It's just not going to be very bullish the coming weeks, so not that soon. Okay, so I'm about to do the analysis. Let me just set things up. Oh boy. Here we go, guys. Here goes nothing. Let's see if we can do this in 10 minutes. Probably. Maybe even less. I hope my mic is not muted. I'm going to murder myself. Okay, cool. Checking live stream real quick. Hey guys, welcome back to Lucid Trading. My name is Gara, and today we're going to be looking at NIO stock for the 1st of December. This is going to be the first trading day that we're covering NIO stock for December, and honestly, I am super excited. I am thrilled right now because we have predicted that NIO in a bearish scenario would fall down rapidly towards the 45, maybe the $42, and we're right now hitting the $44. And yeah, we're going to be analyzing NIO, see where it goes. But before we do, make sure you hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate that. On top of that, guys, I have to tell you that I'm not a financial advisor. Everything we're going to be drawing and saying in this video should be taken as entertainment only. So I do not condone anybody buying or selling financial instruments based off of this video. So I just have to say that. Right, let's get into this analysis right away. So what I'm thinking right now is that we're hitting the oversold. That's generally speaking a place where we see bounces happen. And the MACD is very low as well. We're kind of bottoming out. So this could be a short-term bottom. This could potentially mean we could surge back to approximately $50, I would say. And if this bearishness continues, we could fall back down just like that. So I think this bullishness could be potentially even... so go upwards just like that, potentially to the $52. Yeah, okay, so $52 and then come back down to approximately the same level. We're going to see a lower high that we've seen previously, right? This will be a bearish channel. We're going to be drawing that very soon. And then go down even further to potentially the, I think this is going to go all the way down to, well, at first it's going to go down to the 40.7. Let's draw this again. 40.7 and then go down further. And that could be, we would get very close to the end of the correction. However, we are not sure that this is going to be happening. We're going to have to look at the 1 hour, the 4 hour, and the daily chart. So this is just an indication of what might happen based off of the 30 minutes, looking at it just like that. So let's go to the 1 hour right now. Yeah, this is going to be the bearish scenario. We're mainly going to stay bearish because obviously the daily chart is like super bearish as well. Yeah, I'm trying to keep it real, right? I'm not just going to say whatever you guys want to hear because that would not be a realistic analysis. Let me check. Okay. Alright, so I'm looking at the 1 hour chart and you can see that we are still oversold here. It looks very much like the 30 minutes. Looks like we're still going to be bottoming out. Probably come back up just a little bit to the $49, see some consolidation and then go up again. Potentially reach the $54, $52 mark and then go down further. So this could look a little bit like this. And come back down. Go back up and then come back down. So lower highs, lower lows, even on the 1 hour. MACD, bottom out, go up, come back down again, etc. RSI, same thing, go to the overbought. And just generally speaking, the popularity of this stock is going to be going down for the short term. Now, I think I cannot say much more on the 1 hour, although I think what we could see is a... this could happen again, but then right there at a lower price point. This price movement just like that. I think a lot of people are going to try to buy the dip, but this might not be the dip yet. I think dollar cost averaging would be very wise. Could be the more smarter choice in this situation. So let's go to the 4 hours. Bom, 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 bom. There we go. 4 hours coming up. All right. There we go. Yeah, oh my gosh, that's really bearish. Yeah, I mean, it's just depressing, honestly. Okay, so looking at the 4-hour chart, I think the same thing could be said here. Bottom out initially, come back up, go back down again, and then gradually just go down. So this could look a little bit like, there we go, something like this, and then basically go down all the way. And it could look like this, but also honestly, if this is bearish enough, it could look like this as well, and then bounce potentially again. But yeah, I think this is it for the 4 hours. It's not looking a lot different. The pattern is just very clear. It's just downwards, some bumps to the upside, but then still going downwards. So it's just very bearish. Now I'll go to the daily, because on the 4 hours I can't really tell a whole lot. Daily is interesting because here we see the crossing over happen. So the real reason why we are so bearish on NEO for the past 2 weeks is because of the daily chart. Look at that. We're topping out now. But if you scroll out a little bit, look how overextended the MACD is. And look how long we've been in this overbought RSI. It's been like months now. And that's generally speaking a very, very bad sign. I would say that this is going to come down even further just like that. And we're potentially just going to flatten out. So this could potentially come down all the way. Now, probably going to look a little bit like this. And then here we could bottom out. And then we could see another rally for NEO Day. That could be the case, right? I think we're going to go way higher for NEO Day if they don't get delisted, if there's no bad news, and if Tesla is also potentially even going up at that point. So that could be what could be coming for NEO stock. I've been shorting NEO quite often with, let's just say it was a success because it just kept going down at this point. That was like amazing to short. I have got NEO shares now because obviously it's like at these low levels. I mean, why not? I think it's going to go down further, and I think those down movements might be buying opportunities if you are in for it long term. All right? I think NEO could be growing to be a very, very big company in China. It could be the Chinese Tesla. So who knows what will happen in the future. I think there will be a lot of growth. It's just right now we're going to see a correction because we had a very nice run of approximately 27x, maybe even 30x, depending on where you're looking at. So this has been a very long run for NEO stock. It's just time to correct a little bit. Now let's go to the 30 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes left until the market closes. Interesting. Okay, so final pattern. Final pattern for NEO. After this, we're going to be doing Palantir. Keep that in mind, guys. Palantir Analysis coming up after NEO. And I'm very stoked about that one. So stay tuned. Okay. This should be ready. All right, so looking at the 30 minutes, the final time frame, the final frontier, I think what could happen here is we could see a little bit of consolidation and then gradually move out of this pit, go to the 52, and then consolidate a little bit, try to go to the 54.3, and then get slapped, go downwards, hit the 51, and then gradually come back down again to the current level. See another tiny bounce, but still come down to the $40.7, right? That could be the move coming up for now. Now, obviously, if there's any good news, which I don't think there's anything left, we had the deliveries, we had earnings. What do we have? We had this the Mobileye that they're partnering up with Mobileye from Intel. I think it was Intel for the self-driving taxis. Honestly, at this point, We're gonna have to wait for Neo Day. I think there's a good chance it's gonna be correcting until maybe a week or two before Neo Day. I think maybe 2 weeks before Neo Day, which is approximately mid to end of December, around there. And it's just going to be very negative unless Tesla keeps going upwards to 700 and 800. I think it's going to be negative. Just like today, Tesla's up like 3%, NIO is still down. So I think it's not going to be correlated as much as usual to Tesla. So RSI goes to the upside, comes back down, something similar right there, and then the MACD does something very similar too. All right, so this was my analysis for NIO stock. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate that. Also, check out the Instagram, the TikTok, and the Twitter. Links are going to be down below in the description. If you want to join the community, the Lucid Traders community, then feel free to do so. There's a link down below for the Discord. And also, guys, if you want to donate and show some love and support the channel, there's a link down below for the Patreon, where you can donate to get extras like buy and sell signals, one-on-one conversations with me, and on top of that, you can get a live Q&A and many more. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, Lucid Trading out. I'll be seeing you very soon. Okay, so it's going to be time to check Tesla and see what's happening. Tesla's going up right now, just like we said. Hold on. So we did the NIO analysis just there. I'm just going to check the live chat real quick. We probably got a lot of dislikes. Oh, we didn't. Okay, cool. I think we didn't get a lot of hate. That's awesome. Did we get any donations? I don't use Fibonacci retracements because I just don't want to complicate things too much, because I think the MACD and RSI are already like very complicated for a lot of people out there. So that's why I don't use it on stream. But every now and then, yeah, I take a look at the Fibonacci. But I would say for now on the streams and on the videos, it's just going to be simple and clean and understandable, right? Things that predict the price quite properly. But yeah, Tesla right now, 1 minute before close, it's about to be closing a little bit higher than this consolidation point. So that's very nice. It looks like we're moving upwards, and I think we just closed. All right, the market's just closed. Ding, 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 ding. Yeah, I don't really have a bell right now, so... yeah, I want to do the Palantir analysis now. I don't know if you guys are looking forward to that, but I am definitely looking forward to that. Just let me check this analysis live stream. Hold on. Oh, we got a $5 donation from Ryan. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. Okay, so we're going to do Palantir. Are you guys ready? Yes, you are. I'm ready. I can tell you that. I'm just going to put my phone in the charger, and we're going to be doing the Palantir analysis right away. Just checking my own Palantir stocks. Woo, looking pretty good. I bought some Palantir at 24.5. So I'm very stoked about that. Yeah, I'm bullish on Palantir now. Now when I got Palantir, I'm bullish. No, I'm just joking. But the technicals were looking bullish, so I bought some Palantir. Yeah, I mean, honestly, guys, this I think there's a good probability that we're going to be running up quite fast to the upside. So I want to start with this analysis right away. So let's just do it. I am stoked. I'm absolutely stoked. I just want to check the live chat because I haven't checked the live chat in such a long time. I've just been talking and talking and talking. Okay. There we go. Scroll out a little bit. There we go. CMUX says, I want to donate. Is there no PayPal? There's a PayPal link in the description. You can check it out if you want to donate. Feel free to do so. Alright, I think there's no need to just... I think that we can just start right away, right? So, Palantir. Yeah, I think I already know what's happening right now. There's not a whole lot of use in just talking a lot about it. I just want to just briefly take a look at what's happening here. So, we had a downturn. 1, 2, 3. Upwards momentum move. 1, 2, 3. Upwards move. Yeah, I think we're going to see kind of a repeat of what happened in the past. Yeah, it looks very, very similar to this pattern that we see here, which could potentially mean that we're going to see incredible bullishness. Let's just say that, because the RSI is looking quite low, and the MACD is, I think, let's just say it's about to cross to the upside. So potentially, guys, we could see a big surge, very big surge, just like that. Which, well, if that happens, that will be very bullish. Cash is king, and at the moment, I'm definitely not king. Okay, sorry, I just had to laugh. I just find that amazingly funny. Thank you for that comment. Oh man, yeah, all in on stocks. I mean, I get it, but like sometimes you just gotta, you just gotta hold some cash on the side. We hit 1, 2, 3, and then what happened here? Yeah, it looks a lot like this time period that we see. 1 correction, 2 correction, third one, move to the upside, another correction, and then surge all the way up back to the original high, and potentially correct down again, and then rally upwards after that. That's what happened back then, and that's potentially what's going to happen again, because right now you can see the RSI is looking quite similar to what we've seen here, just like that. Yeah, so I think there's a possibility that we're going to be seeing a run up to approximately 33.5 again, to maybe possibly 36. Somebody says it looks nothing like that. Come on. Come on. It looks so much like that. This period and this period. Come on. Yeah, okay, so this, the fact that this took a very long time, that could be it. Yeah, I kind of understand. It's just there are some similarities. The MACD looks kind of similar. The RSI looks kind of similar. It's not exactly going to be the same. We're going to be adjusting this based off of what happened in the past, what's happening right now, and what we could see happen in the future based off of the technicals and fundamentals. Oh, thank you, CMUC, for donating €5 to the PayPal, apparently. I think that happened. Yeah. Thank you so much. Just gonna check right now what's happening. Okay. Yeah, I don't know what to do with this bearish channel. I think I'm gonna delete it. I don't need it. I don't think we're gonna go really bearish right now. I do believe we could see a lot of bullishness. Hold on. Potentially like this. Right, so that could be it. And this could potentially come back. we see a point in time that is going to be familiar. Yeah, I guess I guess there is one top that we made right there that coincides. I mean, let's go. Why not? If it fits, it fits, and it's parallel to, yeah. So why the hell not? Oh man, today like a lot of people left the Patreon because I guess today is the day that people. Oh yeah, that's wow. It's the facturation day. It's like people have to pay on that day. That's today, so that's why a lot of patrons have left. Some people just want to donate once, so that's why. I was like shocked. I just looked at like the patrons. I was like, whoa, like 10 people disappeared. It was basically whenever like if you guys didn't know that yet on Patreon. On the day that people usually pay, they can end the subscription because some people just want to join once. But yeah, there are many benefits on the Patreon, so make sure you join. And you can donate any amount. Link is going to be down below. So feel free to join. Many more benefits coming to the Patreon. I'm going to be upgrading a lot of things. I'm going to be posting a lot on Patreon. So look forward to that. Especially about stocks and in terms of like the analysis, right? I'm going to be making screen captures and I'm going to be sending it over there. Make tiny bonus videos and bonus clips, sending it over there. Obviously, we have exclusive content on Patreon as well. So you can get that on the Patreon. One, two, 3, upwards move, rally, sideways move, go up again, correct downwards, and okay, that could be the case. Honestly, it does look very familiar. I've taken a look at this aside from the live stream, so yeah, I think I'm ready. Oh, yeah, we're gonna do the Palantir analysis, just like I said. What would happen on the 4 hours? I think on the 4 hours we would flatten out and go up, like just like we did right here. Yeah, I think we should be fine. All right, let's start with this analysis. Let me, where's my... Wait, let me just remove this. Get out of here. Skedaddle, skedaddle. Okay. Right. Yeah, I'm gonna just be relaxed in this video because I'm a little bit tired. I hope you guys don't mind. Oh. Alright, let's go. We do this every single day, about 8 hours to 12 hours a day, so that's why I'm a little tired. Hey guys, welcome back to Lucid Trading. I am Gara, and today we're going to be analyzing Palantir stock. This will be the daily analysis for the 1st of December. Before we start, make sure you hit that thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I know you want to. And I would have to say that I am not a financial advisor. This video is made for entertainment purposes only, so don't buy or sell stocks. I am not condoning that. Alright. At least not based off of the information that we share. So let's get into this analysis right away. So what I think could happen right now, just based off of looking at the 30 minutes, I think we could rally ever so slightly to approximately 28.5, 28.6. come back down a bit to the $26 again, and then rally all the way up to approximately $32, $33, maybe even higher than that to the 36, and then see a gradual correction to the downside, just like that, hitting the 29 and gradually going upwards from there. So, all in all, looking quite bullish. I would say Palantir is quite a strong buy right now. So, we've been covering Palantir ever since it was at the $9. I can say that until eternity, because we have been covering Palantir ever since it IPO'd. You can check those videos out in the playlist. And we said it was bullish, that it would be going to $50 to maybe $100 next year. And I'm still very bullish on Palantir, just based off the 30 minutes. Now, we're going to come back to the 30 minutes after we look at the 1 hour and 4 hour. So let's go to the 1 hour. All right, so what I can see on the MACD is that we're about to be seeing a move to the upside. Just like that, we could go to the upside to the 28.5, come back down a bit, and then gradually move very, very high, very fast to $33. Potentially coming back down after that, hitting the 29.6, and then gradually rally from there. So MACD is going to go up, come back down, and go up again, come back down after that. RSI, same thing right here. Stay in the overbought, and generally speaking, we could just rally upwards to 40, maybe even $50 if there is enough bullishness in the markets. So it's going to depend on that. I think there's also a possibility that we might break this bullish pattern if there's any bad news. So bad news could just literally mean that we're going to go down to $20. We cannot have bad news. Right now, bad news would mean this would end. We would go down a lot to $18. So, but we have not seen any bad news just yet. This has just been a correction until now, and I think this could keep on going. So, very optimistic right now. Let's go to the 4 hours. Alrighty. Checking the live chat real quick. Oh. Yeah, same thing here. Same thing. All right, so I'm checking the 4 hours right now, and honestly, I'm seeing the same pattern occur. I think the MACD is going to go down and then go up just like that, potentially move in this fashion. This would potentially mean that we would go up, come back down, and then go upwards again, just like that. Obviously, it's going to look a little bit different, probably like this, and then come back down again, potentially rallying after that. So this MACD obviously would look a little different. Something like this. So RSI move in a similar fashion. Just the same pattern that we've been talking about. All right, so I think on the daily chart, what is evident is that we are, honestly, we're currently still in the bearish channel, but I think it's about to end. It's about to correct. So we're about to go bullish. All I can say about that, potentially reach to $40 at some point, then come back down again, and then go up maybe even further to the $50. But we'll see what happens. I think at the end of the year, we might see the biggest top that we will see for Palantir. So let's go back to the 30 minutes and draw the pattern for the coming days. Sorry, guys. I'm a little sick. Wait, did we just come down? What just happened? What? What? Okay, wait. Let's just check the 30 minutes. Just, okay, so it just gradually went down. Okay, that can happen. It's fine. Here we go. Okay, so I'm looking at the final chart or final time frame. So like we said, consolidate, go back up to this level, 28.27, maybe a little higher, come back down again, hit the 26, surge all the way to 31.8, see a little bit of resistance, keep surging to the all-time high, potentially go to the 36, come back down again, correct down to approximately 28.7 to 28.5, and then keep on rallying. Now that could be the pattern. RSIs could look a little bit like that. Obviously, it could look a little. This pattern could look shorter on the time frame than what we currently drew it at, and MACD is going to go up just like that. All right, so I think this could be a buying opportunity at the 27 at least. Well, this could definitely be a buying opportunity. I would personally like cut losses at the tops, and I think it could potentially reach 35, 34-ish before coming down again for another correction. And after that, we will probably rally. So I think the long-term Palantir holders will be definitely winning here. Yeah, looking pretty good. All right, I think this was the Palantir analysis. So make sure you hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate that, guys. And on top of that, check out the social media. We have an Instagram, a TikTok, and a Twitter. Links are going to be down below in the description. If you want to join the trading community, we have a Discord server, and you can join it by clicking on the link down below in the description. And on top of that, you can also donate, and there's a Patreon link for that. If you check it out, you can get many benefits there, like early access, buy and sell signals, and one-on-one conversations with me. We can analyze the technicals together, the technicals for your favorite stocks. All right, I think this should be it, guys. Lucid Trading out. I'll be seeing you next time. That was awesome. I am exhausted, honestly, but I really did enjoy this one. I hope you guys did as well. Hold on, guys. I'm just checking some. Zoom. Yeah. So somebody said Zoom. I just want to take a brief look at it, right? Why is it not? There we go. Yeah, we said it would potentially go to, I think it was 525. And then we said it would go down all the way. All the way. I think right now it could see a bounce. Does look like that. Potential bounce. I would just stay away from Zoom. I think it's quite overvalued for what it's for what it is. Because once there's no more lockdown, I think Zoom is going to be less relevant. It's just going to be like Skype. I'm going to be checking something. Checking Twitter real quick. But yeah, guys, this is the end of the live stream, so we can do whatever we want. What do we want to do? You can comment down below in the live stream. We did the analyses that we wanted to do, so right now, honestly, if you have any ideas, just throw them down in the live chat. I'm reading everything right now. I'm reading everything. Trust me. So everybody's saying Tesla. Well, at least someone is spamming Tesla. Zoom earnings was good, but it still plummeted down. Yeah, of course. Of course it's going to plummet down. You have to look at what is happening around you, right? Apple stock, CIIC, Ford, Tesla, MBAC, Nvidia. Gara, make Tesla go up. I can't. I wish I could, though. Apex Technologies and Nano Dimension. Interesting. Planet 13. Somebody's watching Financial Education. Yeah, so, like, I'm going to take a brief look at, like, Tesla. Oh, wait, we already did an analysis for that. So I think Tesla's looking bullish. So let's go to Apex. I said Apex would go up at some point. It's consolidating. So let's just move this another time. Obviously, it's a new stock, so I cannot say much about it. It's relatively new, right? I would say... yeah, I think at some point it will break out again to the upside. So, I think the reason it's going down is because Palantir is going down. For some reason, I think it has to do with that. Because if we would just compare, yeah, it looks quite similar. So it's kind of correlated with Palantir now. Nano Dimension. We saw an up move. I think we're going to see bullishness now. Even more. Potentially. Looks like the MACD is bottoming, you know. Is Neo going back up? I don't think so. I think I'm getting trolled. Oh, slowly. Yeah, okay. Just like we said. You know, we don't have a crystal ball, but the technicals get very close to that. Alright, oh gosh, I'm getting really tired now. I did cover some of them. I want to cover a couple more. Amazon. We said Amazon would go... Amazing energy. Amazon. There we go. So we said Amazon would go up. Happened. We said Intel would go up. There you go. We said, obviously in a bullish market, everything goes up. So we said XPeng would go down. There you go. Whew. Potentially is going to bottom, though. So looking kind of bullish there. Potentially, right? We don't know that yet. Alright, guys. I'm extremely exhausted. I've been uploading all day and going live all day. All I'm asking for is for you guys to just take 2 seconds and hit that subscribe button like mad. Because then you'll be notified for the next live stream and the videos that are coming up on this channel, Lucid Trading. I don't want to make you guys too excited, but there's going to be a website coming up very soon for Lucid Trading. So that's going to be coming, I think, 3 months from now. So, Yeah, it's gonna be awesome. Also, we're gonna get a green screen, which we're gonna put at the back, and it will be here in like a couple days. I bought it from Amazon, right? Amazon bullish. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, bought a green screen. It's gonna be here. I'm gonna put it behind me. We're gonna put Elon Musk right here, and then Jeff Bezos right there, staring at each other like they're super angry. And I would say a pop filter is coming too. Also ordered that, so the mic is not gonna pop. So sorry for that. And yeah, the channel is expanding really nicely. We hit the 10K already. Thank you so much for that. We're now sitting at almost 10.5K. If you would subscribe, we would hit 10.5K. And yeah, it's just growing so fast. I don't know like how fast it's going so fast. I just didn't imagine that it would be growing so fast. But I'm very thankful and grateful that I can be doing this. And yeah, I just really appreciate you guys. If you want to join our community, the Lucid Trading community, link is down below in the description. You can check that out. We talk about trading, finance, and everything. Feel free to join. And yeah, I notice I'm getting really exhausted. Check the social media, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. Everything is down below. We'll be we'll be uploading short clips of the normal videos on Instagram, so check that out. And if you want to donate, feel free to do so. That would be awesome, right? Patreon link is down below. You can get many benefits there. I'll be uploading significantly more into Patreon from now on. I think it's going to be super exciting on the Patreon, especially the coming 3 months. It's going to be really interesting for Patreon, and I'm not going to say a whole lot, but there will be many benefits. And I would say, yeah, this was the live stream, guys. If you enjoyed it, then just hit that thumbs up, and yeah, super exhausted now. I'm checking the live chat real quick. Yeah, I can beatbox. Yeah, I saw CMUC. Thank you so much for the donation. Oh boy. Alright, guys. Wait, we got a... Yeah, we got a donation from Winnie. It's 10 Canadian dollars. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that, guys. I'm gonna have to go. I'm gonna have to upload all the videos that of the stocks that we analyzed in this live stream. So it's gonna take a lot of time. I hope you enjoyed this live stream. Lucid Trading out. I'll see you at the next live stream. So subscribe.